In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between the LG UltraGear EVO 39GX950B and standard ultrawide monitors to see if this premium gaming beast is worth its $1,799 price tag. This monitor stands out as the world's first 39-inch 5K 2K OLED gaming display, offering a massive leap over typical 1440p panels. While most monitors force you to choose between high resolution and competitive speed, this UltraGear EVO features a unique dual-mode refresh rate. You can contrast the cinematic 165Hz 5K 2K mode for immersive RPGs against the blazing fast 330Hz wide Full HD mode for competitive racing and FPS titles. The trade-offs are minimal when you consider the hardware, as it packs AI upscaling tech to keep visuals sharp without a total GPU overhaul. Comparing it to older OLED generations, this model uses 4th-gen tandem OLED technology with VISA Display HDR True Black 500, delivering a density of 143 pixels per inch. This results in much sharper text and finer detail than previous 39-inch models. Whether you are using DisplayPort 2.1 or HDMI 2.1, the connectivity and perfect black certification make it a standout choice for high-end setups. The versatility of a 39-inch workspace versus smaller 27-inch screens is a game-changer for productivity as well. If you want the ultimate hybrid of speed and resolution, this is the one to beat in the current market. Let me know in the comments if you would prioritize the resolution or the frame rate on this screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.